Hey guys, so yeah, you might know me from Instagram or another walk of life, whether it's military or personal. Why am I doing this channel? Well, I'm just doing the nice thing really. I think what my experiences and what I've learned in the last couple of years could be helpful to someone else. Whether you're coming to an end of your military career or another walk of life, another industry, and you've had enough. I think that this day and age that we're living in, being unhappy in what you're doing, or if you're being forced out for other reasons, you've got to find something else. It's having a big effect on people, whether you're a soldier suffering from PTSD or civilian, and always have been. You can still suffer from PTSD, so just be happy what you're doing and know and have a plan, and hopefully what I've learned I can sort of pass on, if you like, for those that are going through that transition and are unsure of what's yet to come. There are plenty of YouTube channels here, plumbing and heating, and there's hints and tips and tool reviews. I will be doing some of that, but the main thing is me passing on what I know from my experience. There are guys that are more experienced than me on servicing and repair and gas and plumbing in general, but I'm hoping this will help up and coming apprentices. If I can do it in the short space of time that I have done, then hopefully so can others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It will all help and probably encourage me to do more and carry it on. Thank you.